Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to be making a salmon dinner. So let's get into it. It was so delicious and semi-healthy. First, I'm going to work on the butternut squash, and this is the spice. These are the spices that I'm going to be using, and this is my butternut squash. After I rinsed it up, I put it in a bowl. I'm going to add a little oil and some garlic, some smoked paprika, the Creole seasoning, and some pepper. As you're going to notice in this video, I'm not going to be using any salt because this Creole seasoning has more than enough salt. Put it on a pan, pop it into a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Now we're going to make the spice mix for the salmon. Same routine, smoked paprika, Creole seasoning. I'm using about a tablespoon of each spice except for the cumin, because you guys know cumin is strong, so I'm only using like a teaspoon or so of the cumin. You want to be careful with that, as well as some pepper. You want to mix that up, and that's the spice mix for the fish. Alright, so this is my fish. You want to sprinkle on a little oil, whatever oil you have on hand. Brush it, wipe it on there, just so to have the spices to have somewhere to go. Then I'm going to put the spice mix over it just like this. I'm also going to zest the zest from a lemon on top of here. We're also going to use some lemon slices while we cook the fish, so don't get rid of that lemon. We're going to use the entire lemon. So you want to rub that in and let it marinate while we work on the veggies. So speaking of the veggies, I'm doing cauliflower and broccoli because, like I said, I saw it in the supermarket and I went ahead and got it. That's the ice bath. So you want to add your vegetables to boiling water. I boil this for 90 seconds. That's it. If you boil it for more, don't even start with me, okay, in these comments. Add it to the ice bath so it can stop cooking and maintain its bright green color. Now I'm going to sear the salmon in some oil and butter on both sides for about 5 minutes, just like this. You want to flip it after 5 minutes, and the next side you probably cook like 3.5 minutes. The other side is always less than the first side. So once you do that, just like this, and then I'm gonna add the garlic and the lemon slices like I told you guys earlier, and this just added so much flavor, tons and tons and tons of flavor. I love adding fresh garlic and lemon to my salmon while it's cooking in a pot. You can also do this in the oven, but I wanted to do it on the stovetop, so this is what I did. So this is what it looks like. Alright, so now we're going to work on the veggies. You're going to saute some garlic once again, just like this, for about 2 minutes just to get the edge off, and not even that, maybe 1 minute. Then you want to add your veggies right down in here. As you can see, they're still nice and bright green. All I did was season it with some adobo and some pepper and some lemon juice. I had a piece of lemon and I sprinkled it right onto there. But you can season it at this point however you prefer. Use what's in your house. I'm using what's in my house, so that's all I did. And I'm tossed it for about 2 minutes because you don't want to overcook it. And I'm just going to plate everything up and let you guys see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, you guys. My favorite part about this dish was the butternut squash. The seasoning was just spot on. It was just so delicious. The salmon was nice and seasoned and lemony. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you do, tag me, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, you guys.